Student, once again Maqbool Islam is in front of you. Today we have a new tricky equation for you. So x dot x over 5 and x over 5 is equal to 5 divided by x and 5 divided by x. How we can calculate the value of x is unknown. Very tricky question, logical question. So in this type of equations, first of all, when the case of multiplication, so bases are same, so we add their powers and we can write, we take one base 1 plus 1. We can write similarly in the denominator of 5 are same, bases are same, so we add their powers is equal to the same case here we are applying here 1 plus 1 and x 1 plus 1. Next we get here x square and 5 square is equal to 5 square divided by x square. By cross multiplication method here we get here x square and x square is equal to 5 square and 5 square. When bases are same, so we add their exponent is equal to 2 plus 2. Now further we simplify this result, we get here x4 is equal to 5 exponent of 4. Now we can subtract this result. We change this to the left side, their sign is also change. Is equal to 0. According to this formula, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. According to this formula, x square minus 5 square into x square plus 5 square is equal to 0. Again here this is consider a and consider b. So again we get a minus b into a plus b, a minus b into a plus b. So x square plus 5 square is equal to 0. It means that all terms are equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus 5 is equal to 0 or plus 5 square is equal to 0. Now we transfer this result, we get here x is equal to 5. X minus 5 is equal to 0. We transfer this result, x is equal to 5. We get one of the answer. And the second condition here, x plus 5 is equal to 0. We transfer this result, we get here x is equal to minus 5. Similarly, plus 5 square is equal to 0, x square plus 25 is equal to 0. If we are comparing with the quadratic equation, plus c is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 25. Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. We substitute the results in this equation. Minus b is equal to 0. And plus minus 0 square minus 4 into 1 into 25 square root divided by 2a. X is equal to 0 plus minus 0 plus minus, this will be minus and 100 divided by 2 to plus minus. Here is minus 100, in replace of minus we put iota square into 100 square root divided by 2. X is equal to plus minus, we get here 10 iota whole square root divided by 2 and x is equal to, this is cancel, plus minus 10 iota divided by 2, both are cancelled, we get plus minus 5 iota. And x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to 5 iota and x is equal to minus 5 iota. These are the answer. Now if we want to check our answer is correct or not, first we are using the condition x is equal to checking. We want to check x is equal to 5. Then 5 divided by 5 and 5 divided by 5 is equal to 5 divided by 5 and 5 divided by 5. Both are cancelled. So we get here 1 and both are cancelled. We get here 1. So it means that x is equal to 5 is the solution is true. If we put here x is equal to minus 5, second condition, in the place of x we put here 5 divided by plus 5 into minus 5 and 5 is equal to minus 5 divided by minus 5 and dot 5 divided by minus 5. Now minus into minus plus both are cancelled. Again we can, the same result we can, 1 is equal to 1. Means that 1 is equal to 1. Another solution x is equal to minus 5 is the also is correct. Third divided by 5 and 5 iota divided by 5 is equal to 5 divided by 5 iota and 5 divided by 5 iota. We are checking third case. Now both are cancelled, this one and this is also cancelled, iota and dot, iota is remaining here, this is cancelled, this is also cancelled, 1 divided by iota and iota. So here we get here iota square and also 1 divided by iota square, here we get minus 1 and here 1 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 1. It means that our this solution is also correct, both results are same. Now if we want 5 dot minus 5 iota divided by 5 is equal to 5 divided by minus 5 iota and dot 5 divided by minus 5 iota. So 5 cancel, this is also cancel, minus into minus plus, we get again iota square and here 5 are cancel, 5 are cancel, 1 divided by minus iota square we get, minus into minus plus. So iota square is equal to minus 1 and 1 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Again x is equal to minus 5 is correct. So all these are the solution of the given equation. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more things. Appreciate you in advance for the comments.